Guys, in this video we are going to learn how to access Google Drive classes. So this is your first step. After purchasing Google Drive classes, you have to open the website, goes to download the software and videos. This is the option for tracking ID. You will get tracking ID in this portion. Here is some important videos. And here you will get the serial key for your subject to activate. You have to download content browser. इन जो वीडियो हमने डाउनलोड की थी, यू कैन सी एग्जाम ओरिएंटेड, ये एक जिप्ड फोल्डर है. दिस इज अ जिप्ड फोल्डर. Simply paste. Just because this is a zipped folder, so you have to extract it. Right click on it, extract. But this folder where you will get the serial key, as I guided you, in this portion you will receive your serial key. You have to copy it and paste in the content browser. You have to enter your serial key, check subject, confirm add subject, proceed to activation.
Fill the details as required. First enter serial key, then click on check key. Once done, then enter the full details. First enter registered mail ID. Then enter full name of yours. Then enter mobile number and click on Get OTP. Till OTP arrives. Fill the rest details like city and attempt. Please fill the correct details. Correct details are mandatory. Fill the attempt as per the course purchased. You can fill any number which is active for OTP validation. Then enter OTP and validate the same. After validation, it will show OTP OK. Once done, click on Activate and then click on Close. Then a pop-up will appear as Authenticate. Click on Authenticate. Then you will find the Lectures folder in Content Browser. Click on Same and then click on Lectures. And it's done. Your course is activated.
Watching the video.